Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. We are going to do another one of my go big or we are going to do another one of my go big or go home Halloween pours. I have a whole mess of these. These were on sale at some point through Michael's, I believe, and I bought a ridiculous number of these large black canvases, so let's use another one. Okay. We're going to use a ton of different colors today. This is all stuff I've mixed up myself. We have Artist Loft Flow Acrylic with Floetrol. We have green, yellow, red, white, and black. Those over here. I just mixed up, so it's going to be bubbly. Artist Loft Silver. We have Acrylic Fluorescent Violet. Oh, we have the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in blue also. Duh. Acrylic Turquoise. Acrylic Violet. Deco Art Dazzling Metallics in Champagne Gold. Liquitex Basics Cerulean Blue. And Liquitex Basics Phthalo Green. I think we have a couple more reds and greens over there, but I think this takes us through the spectrum. And you know, just because I'm feeling Halloweenish, I'm going to add in a Deco Art Ready to Pour, because luckily this Ready to Pour stuff plays well with other paints, so this shouldn't be an issue. This is Vivid Orange, because I don't have an orange of my own mixed. I don't know why. I guess because I'm not a humongous color of orange fan, but it's Halloween. So I have my beautiful big 16-ounce MMG cup from Mixed Media Grill, double split. We actually need 20 ounces. This is a 16 by 20 canvas, which means we will need 20 ounces of paint. What I think I'm going to do is fill this completely, do the pour, and then either add extra like the white around the edges just to get it flowing, or maybe I'll do another cup. And if I don't like the first pour, we can do a second pour. Because why not? Go big or go home, right? Okay. I'm not sure I have any specific plan for the colors or the compartments. I think I'm just going to pour. We may go warms, colds. We may not. we may not. All right, here we go. Here's what makes this a Halloween pour. It is a pumpkin. This is not from Dollar Tree. They do not have gorgeous, big, beautiful. They have pumpkins there, and I do have one that we're going to pour over at some point. This is my foam carvable pumpkin from Dollar Tree. There is a difference in quality here. This is a Target pumpkin. And I think what I'm going to do the dirty pour, tree ring-ish thing, and see where we end up paint-wise, and maybe I'll pour more. So you know what? Let's get to it. Here we go, folks. All cameras are on. And commence pouring. Well, that is flippin' cool, isn't it? I don't even care that I'm not giving full coverage on the pumpkin. That doesn't bother me in the least. How beautiful. But I definitely need more paint. So let's just put some more paint in the cup. I'm not gonna stop here. I'm gonna keep going. This is fun. All right. Here's to some more pouring. Woohoo! And now we tilt. Here we go. Oh, it's beautiful. See how much of this we can hang on to. We're getting the messy stuff. All right, not done yet. Should have hung on to the other ones. You should have just tilt. Just tilt. If I tip it back up this way, stretch some out and get rid of that. See what happens. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna hang there, I think. Got plenty of coverage. All right. Yeehaw. I still like the pumpkin better, but that's okay. Let me clean up my hands and we will go in for our close-ups on both items. Okay, let's start with our pumpkin. There is one side. There is another side. And there is another side. And now the close-up on our painting. Here is the lower left corner. See the shimmer from that gold and silver? I love it. Across the bottom. Lower right corner. Sorry about the glare. We have no sunshine today. It's all cloudy and rainy and icky out. So extra lights. Up the right side. Upper right corner. Across the top. Upper left. And down the left side. Oh, I love this. That's beautiful. And there is the complete canvas. Let me scoot over here. You can get the complete canvas and a little bit of the pumpkin. All right, we will come back when these dry and take a look at how they turn out. Stay tuned. And we're back. All right, so after I turned off the camera yesterday, I decided to sprinkle a little fairy dust, also known as glitter, onto my two paintings, my actual canvas painting and my pumpkin. Here's the glitter I use. This is Beach Bash from the Glitter Guy. It's a holographic gold. I think it adds a certain sparkle. Okay, so let's go in and take a close-up view. The painting isn't 100% dry. When we get up to the top here, what will probably be the bottom actually. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there is a little glisten, not the sparkle, but here, let's see if I can, a little shininess. That paint in this area still has not fully dried. The dried paint, such as over here on the corner, is a lot less shiny. But I think this dried beautifully. I really am pleased with this, and I think the varnish will make the glitter pop even more when I varnish it. I think that's really, really attractive. Okay, now for the pumpkin. Here is our pumpkin. It is not dry on the bottom. That's why I've got it sitting on this little piece of cardboard. I should put it on top of something that will dry on the bottom faster. I just haven't done it yet. But I wanted you to see the rest of it's dry. And I wanted you to see how beautiful this is. This is going to go out on my front porch. I just think that is so attractive. Sorry, but the baby wipes in the background here. There we go. Such a pretty pumpkin. Painted and glistening with glitter. Thanks for joining me for this video, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.